Hello students, this is Standard 8 Language Chapter 13. In this video, we are going to discuss about sentence. So all of you take out your language book, page number 85, Chapter 13 about the sentence. Okay, so in your previous classes also, like down the line 7, 6 and all, you have read about sentence. So let me clarify you sentence. A group of words that make complete sense is called a sentence. Okay, it is very simple. Group of words make complete sense is called a sentence. And other thing also, no need, you already know that what all you have to put. Okay, so they are again, the sentences are again classified with first one is assertive or declarative sentence or statement. We can call it assertive or declarative or statement. So now question comes, what is an assertive sentence? A sentence that makes an assertion or a declaration is called an assertive or declarative sentence. For example, the earth moves around the sun. Okay, it is a cloudy day. Cow gives us milk. It can be either assertive, a declarative sentence can be either positive or affirmative or negative. Even the negative sentences are also assertive sentence. Okay, so this is known as what? Assertive sentence. The next one is interrogative sentence. The next categories come. Interrogative means the question sentence ends with a question mark. Okay, sentence that asks question is called an interrogative sentence. Okay, so what is an interrogative sentence? A sentence that asks question is called interrogative sentence. There are two types of interrogative sentence. The first one is WH questions. Okay, so the WH question, they are begin with the interrogative pronoun what, who, which, whom and whose, or with interrogative adverb like when, where, why and how, or interrogative adjective like what, which and whose. Okay, so answer to such questions is always a complete sentence. Take an example, how are you? You can give I am fine. Where? Okay, so where does he live? He lives in New Delhi. So this way you can get the answer. The next category is about this interrogative sentence is yes or no questions. Okay, what is the next category? Divided into yes or no. They are always start with an auxiliary verb like am, is, are, was, were, has, have, had. So whatever the auxiliaries are, they starts with this, and the sentence begin with an auxiliary and ends with a question mark. Yes. Okay, so they start with an auxiliary, the helping verb like do, does, did, will, shall, would, should, may, might, can, could, etc. Okay, am I correct? Have they finished the work? Okay, and this kind of sentence you can write yes or no. Is he not ready? So what kind of sentence? This is an interrogative negative sentence. So it will come yes he is. If the question is asking in negative, the answer will come in positive. Is he not ready? Question mark. Yes he is. Will they not come? Yes they will. So this is what known as interrogative sentence. Now next one is interchange of statement and interrogative sentence. So how we can interchange it? Okay, so general forms are subject plus verb. Okay, so general forms of statement, when we make a statement, first we put the subject, then the verb. But when we make an interrogative sentence, first we put the verb, then we put the subject. I am happy. This is a sentence. I am happy statement. Okay, are you happy? This is again an interrogative sentence. So this is known as interrogative sentence. Sentences this kind, when we start with an auxiliary verb, that is, was, were, have, had, shall, should, can, could, etc. ends with a question mark. These are known as interrogative sentence. Again, interrogative sentence, let me recap it again. Interrogative sentences are two kind. One is WH question mark. When you make a WH question mark, the answer will be, when you give an answer, the answer will get a full sentence. And another one is like you start with the helping verb. Okay, so in that, if the question is in negative, you can give answer in positive. Okay, so next one is imperative sentence. What comes the next? The third category is imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses a command, request, entity, desire or instruction is called an imperative sentence. Okay, so take example, get out from here. So this is a command. Okay, get out from here. Then please bring me a glass of water. This is a request. May God bless you. This is a wish. These kind of sentences are known as imperative sentence. In this sentence, the subject is always hidden there. So in this kind of sentence, the subject you is hidden there. Okay, so this is known as imperative sentence. The last category is exclamatory sentence. What is the last category? The fourth category is exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses sudden feelings or emotion is called exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences are always followed to mark with an interjection, that is the exclamation mark. Okay, so take example, alas, the king is dead. After alas, you can give an interjection exclamation mark, the king is dead. What a beautiful scenery. What a beautiful scenery. Okay, so that ends with an exclamation mark. So how do we interchange the exclamation sentence or exclamatory sentence to assertive sentence? Okay, example, he is an intelligent boy. Okay, this is he is an intelligent boy. So what kind of sentence is this? This is an assertive sentence. What an intelligent boy he is. Give an exclamation mark. So this is a exclamatory sentence. This way you can transform the assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence. Take another example. Rose is very beautiful. How beautiful is Rose? Give an exclamation mark. So these are the kinds of sentence what we read in the video. Okay, so sentence, the fourth category. What is a sentence? Group of words that makes complete sense is known as sentence. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence. Assertive sentence gives say something or declare something, so that's why it is known as also declarative sentence. Next one is interrogative sentence. Ask question, again it is divided into two, WH, and begin the sentence with an auxiliary. Okay, so next one is imperative sentence. You can give command, request, entitative, wish, etc. is known as imperative sentence. In imperative sentence, the subject is hidden, and the last one is exclamatory sentence, which is express sudden feelings or emotion, that is called an exclamatory sentence. It gives an interjection, that is an exclamation mark in the sentence. That's it. Thank you.